specifically affiliated this word with Muslims is to justify anything against the Muslims. So if you can bomb Muslims, you can justify it because we have killed terrorists, right? So it gives a soothing sense to all the Americans or probably the West.
In my personal opinion, Biden is a fucking warmongering terrorist.
Reason why they, and by they I mean the Western electronic media and the social media.
No, but the thing is, we have family, right? Family,
Yes.
it's real life. And so, one has to take care of real life. If one is busy constantly watching weird videos, the other one has to do something. And so I'm mostly the one who
That's a very Islamic argument.
Just another way to keep women down. You're not allowed to make the money. Only logic can make the money.
I'm not allowed. I'm pretty sure if it would be the other way around, if I would have his sub count, he would be perfectly fine with just, homemaking. But the fact of the matter is, he's more charismatic than me, and people have an easier time to understand him. And so this is how it ends up. I am the one who has to stay at home and do house chores.
No, I think both of you are very good at speaking.
So it's because of racism that you're kept down.
What?
Sounds like white supremacy because of racism that you're kept
That's
down.
a strong word. That's a very strong word.
Obviously.
In the US especially, people have used the word racism so badly that
Yes.
people are completely desensitized to
I agree. I think
racism
yes.
a lot. Don't take it as actual racism because it's no longer applying.
Yes. I think a lot of the words have a very emotional coating to them, and we tend to neglect some of the times that some words should be used objectively, especially in academic setting. Like a little bit of bias, a little bit of prejudice is all of a sudden it's multiplied to racism, right? So easily you could have used the word bias or prejudice instead of using supremacy, or so a lot of the words have this emotional coloring. It again gets to that that language, the art of language, from euphemisms to the inflammatory language, and a lot of the things actually happen in the language.
But
Yes.
the problem is the following. We are very irreverent people. On one side, it is true, people have very strong emotional, connections with certain words. On
Yes.
the other, we are not the kind of people who care about emotions. We are the people who care about facts. So we do not have the excuse of emotions. If you, in this my world, would I say, have issues with emotions and have euphemisms, then that is, at least in our smaller circles, frowned upon, because the value or the virtue stands in being able to listen to people, even though they say things that just are completely, obnoxious to you. I mean, that's half of the reason why I'm able to talk to you without being upset at you, because considering where I come from and what I have lived through, I have all the reasons in the world to be upset about Islam in general.
Yes, but as Muslim, okay.
People are people, what their words, and stupid ideas and stupid ideas.
Yes, but the thing about language is that it is very diverse, and we as Muslims have felt this a lot. Like you would know this, that why is that the word terrorist or terrorist attack is only affiliated with Muslims? I mean, we feel it very strongly. If you try to any US bombings, any Western bombing, if you try to suggest, if you even try to upload a video of US terrorist attack or Israeli terrorist attack, they would take it down immediately. Even social media, we now know that.
Yeah, but that is not an issue of whether or not you can call them terrorists. In my personal opinion, Biden is a fucking warmongering terrorist when it goes about, Syria, for example, because that guy has no business in fact in Syria. And he should take his, people and then shove off. But quite frankly, that has nothing to do with whether or not the word terrorist is the word terrorist. I'm perfectly fine with calling, certain people terrorists.
For that matter, it isn't directly associated strictly with Islamism anymore. Specifically,
It is.
in
It
the
is.
United States, and we have a concept.
Listen to him.
I think it is because
which is
if When I say it is,
Just because you hear the word terrorist always connected to Islam
Hmm.
doesn't mean that it is.
Yeah.
Right?
Here
Yeah,
in
it's-
Before,
we actually
yeah.
it shouldn't
here in
be.
America we actually have a rather specific group of terminology based around the term stochastic, which is we recall is terrorism from within, terrorism from one's own people, and that's Americans committing terrorist crimes, domestic terrorism,
Yeah.
and that's something that we've had a concept for
Look,
for a long time.
Look, let me give you my concept just a little bit. The word terrorism, if we look at the word objectively, it is a very broad word. It is a very broad word. I mean hitting a child, even hitting a child, police taking somebody down, and anything can be put inside this word terrorism. I think the main
Sure.
the reason why they have and by they I mean the Western electronic media and the social media, they have specifically affiliated this word with Muslims is to justify anything against the Muslims. So if you can bomb Muslims, you can justify it because we have killed terrorists, right? So it gives a soothing sense to all the Americans or probably the West that killing Muslims
If
mean.
that was true, then why do you have people from the Democratic Party attacking, run-of-the-mill Republicans as terrorists right now? If that was true, that wouldn't be happening.
And why do you have the Republican Party constantly going about how every Chinese person who's in America is a terrorist waiting to happen?
Actually, that part of the Democratic Party is not, you know that it's not in the majority, right? The majority is always with
You're
the
right.
anti-Islamic rhetoric and all those kind of things. Because Bernie Sanders, right? I mean, he wasn't selected because of his good wishes for or because he was anti-Israeli, right? And there were also many other things. It's not just these
Was
things.
selected
No.
because he regarded as a socialist by too many people.
He wasn't elected because he was too much of a populist.
Yeah. Well, he's too much of a socialist and too much of a populist.